Yo, I got big goals with Nexus SNAP. Yo, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, one of the best ways to make money online, in my opinion, is with affiliate marketing or network marketing. Now, there is a new network marketing opportunity that I'm involved with called Nexus SNAP. All right, now Nexus SNAP is getting more and more popular every day. More and more people are joining this opportunity, and with good reason. Nexus SNAP or Nexus Rewards, what some people call it, it's the same thing. All right, they are in the cash back and savings industry, which is a $1 billion industry. All right, so Nexus is all about saving money and making money, and this is dope because this opportunity appeals to the masses. If you are watching this video, I'm about 99.9% sure you are somebody who will be interested in saving money or making money. So I'm loving this opportunity right now because it is so new. A lot of people are starting to talk about it. So I'm actually watching this company grow in real time. And I know a lot of people, like a year ago when Live Good came out, a lot of people was talking about Live Good, Live Good, Live Good. And now Live Good is at over 1 million members. So you got people who are looking at Nexus SNAP and they're like, oh, I'm thinking about joining. You know, I missed the Live Good boat, even though, you know, you still can make money with Live Good, but that's another video. But a lot of people are jumping on Nexus SNAP because they're like, yo, I want to be in at the beginning of this opportunity. Because as I'm recording this video, Nexus SNAP only has around 5,000 members. All right, so it's plenty of room for growth, and that's what I'm excited about. I did a couple videos already showing you how much I made so far with Nexus SNAP, but to be honest with you, like, I haven't even begun yet. Why? Because I got big ass goals for this opportunity. I think this opportunity alone could be something that can make $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 a month. Now, I'm not gonna get into it here, but if you are interested in Nexus SNAP, what you want to do is check out their compensation plan, and you can do that when you click the link in the description and check out the actual page. Because when you take a look at the compensation plan, you will actually realize that it is possible to make some real money with this opportunity, and that's what I plan on doing. So here's the thing. A lot of people, when they're talking about Nexus SNAP and they're trying to get people to join them and everything, they're like, yo, you know, just get 5 people. You know, just try to get 5 people. Just try to get 10 people. You got other people out there, it's like, yo, I'm just trying to get like 25 people. You know what I'm saying? I'm good. Some people like, yo, I want to get 100 people, right? There's even members of Nexus SNAP who's like, yo, I want to be the first person to get 1,000 referrals to Nexus SNAP. And all of that is dope. All of that is dope, right? Trying to get 5 people, 25 people, 100, 1,000, that's dope. But you know what? I think big. I think big as hell. All right, my goal when it comes to Nexus SNAP, I'm putting it out there right now. I want to bring in 5,000 members. Straight up 5,000 members. Now, depending on who you are, you might be watching that like, damn, 5,000 people, that's a shit ton. Man, that's crazy talk. Or you might be a type of person like me and be like, shit, get it. You know what I'm saying? Like, dude, I can get 5,000 too. If your goal 5,000, my goal 5,000, right? So depends on who you are, right? But me, I'm stuck on, I want to bring in 5,000 members. So when you actually take a look at the compensation plan, you will understand that bringing in 5,000 people will earn you $125,000 in fast start commissions. And they have this feature where you get a $2 coded bonus for every personal referral that you bring in. So on bare minimum, you're going to be getting $10,000 a month on top of the $125,000 fast start commissions. Now that's just 2 little components of the income that you could potentially make with this opportunity. Not to mention all the matrix bonuses you're going to get from everybody you bring into the company. Because when you look at the comp plan, you'll see all the different ways that you can make a lot of money with Nexus SNAP. So yes, I do got big ass goals when it comes to Nexus SNAP, but the truth is, because the way the compensation plan is laid out, it is actually possible for you to make some decent money just by having 5 people that you bring in to Nexus, or 25 people, and definitely 50 people, right? But like I said, I'm going big with this, right? Because I want to make $10,000 to $20,000 with just this opportunity, and I know it is possible because I've already made money with this opportunity. So in my mind, I already know this program works. I already know this opportunity people like, right? I already know this opportunity pays and how it pays. I just gotta keep going and keep growing. Now I know a lot of people, when they promote this opportunity, they want anybody and everybody to join them in Nexus, right? And don't get me wrong, like if you just want to join and do nothing, that's dope. If you just want to use the opportunity and the apps and discount savings, that's cool. But I really want those people with big ass goals. I want people that's like, yo, I want to jump in this. I want to get 100 people. I want to bring in 500 people. I want to bring in 10,000 people. You say you want 5,000. I want to bring in 10. Like, that's the mindset of the people that I want to join me. Because people got to understand, when I say 5,000 people, you got to keep in mind, like, I'm thinking about the internet, right? 5,000 people on the internet is nothing. That's like peon, right? When you think about how many people are out there, like, it is possible for a lot of people to bring in 5,000 people into Nexus SNAP. So I am super excited to hit this goal. So if you got big ass goals just like I do, and you want to jump on this opportunity and achieve our goal together, you already know. Click that link in the description and I will see you on the team.